Hi guys, it's me, I'm the Frugal Chef. Welcome to Taco Week. We are going to start this week with these delicious Chipotle chicken tacos or chicken Tinga tacos. Oh my gosh, they're amazing. We're gonna stew some chicken in a nice sauce and it's delicious. It'll be right after the introduction here. Before we do anything, if you haven't subbed, please sub, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. And let's start the week. We are going to have this week, today, this chicken Tinga tacos. Tomorrow we're making some potato chorizo tacos. They're delicious. On Wednesday we're gonna make some carnitas tacos. On Thursday we're gonna make some shrimp tacos. And on Friday we're making birria tacos. Yum. Let's make this. I have 5 chicken thighs, as you can see here. It's about 3 pounds. They're skinless, but they do have the bone. I'm gonna season them with salt and pepper on both sides. We're gonna heat some oil in this pot. We're gonna put the chicken in here and brown it. We will work in batches. We want to sear both sides really nicely. So let it brown, okay? Once the bottom is nicely browned, I'm gonna flip these and brown the other side. Take them out onto a plate and finish with the rest of the chicken. All right, now that that chicken's cooked, I'm going to add a small white onion, which I sliced thinly. I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken stock so that I can scrape the bottom. All right, we're gonna cook this onion for 5-6 minutes until it's softened and translucent. Now I'm gonna add half a red bell pepper that I cut in strips. We're not gonna worry too much about the vegetables because we will blend our sauce. So I'm adding 3 minced garlic cloves. I have 3 large chipotles that I chopped here, and I have 2 teaspoons of the adobo. That smells good. I'm going to add 4 Roma tomatoes that I chopped. I'm gonna wash out my little bowl here with some chicken stock. I don't want to throw away any of that adobo. Let's add about a teaspoon of cumin. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Some lime zest. Let's call it half a teaspoon, okay? I'm gonna season this with salt, some pepper, the juice of that lime we zested. All right, I'm going to add more chicken stock, a total of 1 cup, okay? I'm just using this chicken broth. I'm going to return the chicken. We're going to cover this pot and let this simmer for about 25-30 minutes until the chicken is completely cooked through, and I'll see you. Okay, let's check our chicken. Okay, this is cooked through. I'm going to remove it from the pan. All right, we are now going to put all of this stuff into the blender. I don't know that I want to use all that liquid, but I will use some of it. And whatever I don't use. I'm not gonna throw out, guys. That's an amazing cup of chicken broth. I have enough liquid in there. I'm not gonna add more liquid. Okay, I am going to go blend this until it's nice and smooth. And I'm gonna transfer this into another container because I wanna use my pan again. Okay, we are going to shred our chicken with 2 forks or your hands or whatever you want. Don't shred it too small, okay? Make sure you get rid of the yucky stuff that's next to the bone there. All right, I'm gonna do this with all the chicken and put it in the pot and I'll come back. I returned the chicken to the pot, as you can see. I'm gonna add the sauce. All right, here's the thing. This is too much sauce. I don't want to drown it in sauce. I just want it to be nice and wet for our tacos. So what I'm gonna do is freeze this for next time I wanna make this, okay? So next time I'm probably just gonna buy a rotisserie chicken, shred it and let it cook in the sauce for a little bit, and that's it. I got my tacos. So we'll let that stay warm on that side and we'll heat our tortillas. So we're gonna heat these doubled up. That way the inside stays nice and soft because it kind of steams. Okay, I'm gonna double these up because that chicken has a lot of sauce. I'm gonna drizzle some Mexican crema on top. If you can't find Mexican crema, go ahead and use sour cream. We'll put some queso fresco on here. And a piece of avocado. Ay, mama. That's a beautiful taco. I love it. You have the heat from the chipotle, which is kind of smoky. And then with that cream, it gets tamed down. It is very, very good, guys. I hope you make it and I hope you love it. And thanks for watching the video and I'll see you tomorrow.